Embark on a mountain adventure where twilight whispers secrets of the wilderness. As night descends, a cozy cabin beckons, but without firewood, warmth seems a distant dream. Amidst old newspapers and flickering candles, uncertainty lingers until the discovery of the fire strip roll. A compact marvel tightly coiled within a metal tin, it unveils a world of fire-starting possibilities. Crafted from resilient timber pulp saturated with water-resistant wax, each tear unleashes a torrent of fiery potential. Embrace the elements, for the fire strip roll dances defiantly against rain, snow, or wind, an indispensable ally for adventurers, offering protection and ease in the quest for warmth, all at a humble price of $12. Venture into the heart of the wild, where the Alpha Wolf Safari Edition from Daystate reigns supreme. Beyond a mere rifle, it embodies the marriage of artistry and precision engineering. With a practical woodstock grip and monocoque frame, each shot is met with unwavering reliability. Unleash its versatility with an interchangeable barrel system, embracing calibers and projectiles with ease. Powered by digital prowess, the Huma Air Regulator ensures a symphony of consistent performance. Yet, its crowning glory lies in AVT, advanced velocity technology, granting shooters the power to customize their experience with a mere touch. From woodland to vast plains, the Alpha Wolf Safari Edition stands as the epitome of excellence, a testament to the pursuit of perfection in the realm of air rifles. Embrace the spirit of exploration with the Seago Charger, an ode to innovation in the realm of energy. Inspired by the celestial dance of solar arrays, this portable marvel unfolds like origami, harnessing the sun's bounty with unmatched efficiency. Crafted from high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, it whispers tales of sustainability and power. Whether in bustling cities or remote wilderness, the Seago Charger is a beacon of clean energy, offering 25 W of pure sunlight in the palm of your hand. With a tripod companion for optimal performance and durable laminated protection, it stands as a testament to mankind's quest for harmony with nature. Choose from a myriad of models, each a testament to the boundless potential of solar technology, priced between $99 and $499, a small investment for a world of renewable energy. Amidst the rugged beauty of nature, quench your thirst for adventure with the Purisu Plus Water Bottle Purifier. A beacon of purification in the face of uncertainty, it transforms any freshwater source into a sanctuary of safety. With a triple-layer filtration system, it banishes the specter of harmful contaminants, leaving behind only pure, refreshing hydration. From secluded streams to bustling urban landscapes, the Purisu Plus is your faithful companion, ensuring every sip is a testament to cleanliness and purity. Embrace the journey with confidence, knowing that for $69, safe drinking water is but a pump away. Forge your path through the untamed wilderness with the Zippo Woodsman by your side. Beyond a mere tool, it embodies the spirit of self-reliance and ingenuity. With a hatchet, saw, mallet, and stake puller nestled within its compact frame, it stands as a beacon of versatility in the face of nature's challenges. Crafted from the finest materials, each swing and stroke is met with unwavering strength and durability. From campfires to shelter building, the Zippo Woodsman is your steadfast companion, priced at $80, a modest investment for a world of outdoor possibilities. Illuminate the darkness with the Olight Warrior X Turbo, a beacon of light in the depths of night. With a blaze of 1,100 lumens and a throw that pierces 1,000 meters, it stands as a testament to the power of illumination. Crafted from rugged aluminum alloy and adorned with anti-slip knurling, each grip is met with confidence and security. From camping trips to search and rescue missions, the Warrior X Turbo is your faithful companion, offering not just light, but hope in the darkest of nights. Priced at $120, it's a small price to pay for the radiance it brings to your world. Embark on a journey into the heart of the unknown with the Savoda Jacari M, a backpack forged in the fires of adventure. With its rugged construction and ample storage, it stands as a testament to reliability and endurance. From dense forests to towering peaks, it carries your burdens with grace and ease, ensuring your essentials are always within reach. Crafted from quality materials and adorned with modern conveniences, the Jacari M is your trusted companion on the path less traveled. Priced at $200, it's a small investment for a world of exploration and discovery. Navigate the vast expanse of the wilderness with the Garmin InReach Mini 2, a beacon of communication in the face of isolation. With its compact design and global coverage, it stands as a lifeline to the world beyond. From sending messages to triggering SOS alerts, it ensures your safety and peace of mind in the harshest of environments. Crafted for adventurers and explorers, it offers not just reassurance, but a connection to loved ones no matter where your journey takes you. Priced at $399, it's a small price to pay for the security it brings to your adventures. Prepare for the unexpected with the Medic Recon First Aid Kit from MyMedic, a beacon of hope in the face of adversity. Beyond a mere first aid kit, it's a lifeline to safety and survival in the most dire of circumstances. With 250 life-saving items tucked within its rugged exterior, it stands as a testament to preparedness and resilience. Crafted by experts with years of field experience, it offers not just treatment, but peace of mind in the face of uncertainty. Priced at $170, it's a small investment for a world of safety and security. Arm yourself with the ultimate companion for handgun enthusiasts, the Real Avid Pistol Tool. Compact yet comprehensive, it offers everything you need to maintain, modify, and master your firearm. From precision tools to ergonomic design, it stands as a testament to ingenuity and innovation in the realm of firearms. Crafted with care and attention to detail, it ensures your pistol is always ready for action, no matter the challenge. Priced at less than $40, it's a small investment for a world of confidence and control.